A number of AI-related stocks just crashed today on April 3rd, 2023, and here's why. Moon Market and other stock traders have called out C3AI at $33.87, and unfortunately the stock is now down to about $24, meaning that the stock sunk 24.53% a day after they called it out. I've called over 120 short squeezes over the past year, so you may want to listen to what I have to tell you next. In this video, not only are we going to go over AI and GFAI and other stocks related to the AI craze, but we're also going to go over stocks that I'm trading right now, which can make you thousands or tens of thousands of dollars. Everything on this channel is for educational purposes only. AI created C3AI Suite for management of large-scale AI projects founded in 2009. AI had nearly 100 million shares sold just today. That is nearly $3.2 billion of AI stocks sold just today on April 3rd. That is a serious change from where the stock was at before. $3.2 billion in any stock will change it dramatically, and this means that the AI field may be under fire as well. Kerrisdale said the company was inflating revenue and inventing receivables, among other changes. This means that AI stock is essentially guilty of fraud. Okay, right now they are just allegations, but they accuse the company of trying to pass itself as an SaaS company, that is a software as a service company, which is much more valuable than what they actually are, which is a consulting firm. AI was just accused of accounting fraud, and banks listened. Okay, if banks are selling $3.2 billion of AI stock, then this means that AI may actually be as bad as investors say, as bad as Kerrisdale says it is. Okay, so we had a huge reaction to that news. You can't just watch the news on its own. You have to add the news to what's actually happening with the stock. So you want to use the news plus the stock in order to come up with, is the stock actually a buy or a sell? And my traders have made over $30,000 last week, and that's because we know the secret to trading in the financial markets: news plus stock. Okay, use the news in combination with what's actually shown in the stock chart in order to make the most amount of money. You can't trade based on news alone. YBC actually referred me to some of the other traders in his life. If my traders are referring me to their friends because they love trading in the pro Discord so much, that may be your sign to get into the Discord right now. I'll leave the link in the description. Again, we're up over $40,000 just last week, and we're up $10,000 already this week trading stocks like SOUN and YGMC. GFAI stock down more than 14.85% today. This is a security solution company founded in 2018, and it was called out by traders like Moon Market as well. Unfortunately, the stock did pull back from $20 all the way to a low of $12.87. Now, this stock is not a stock which I will necessarily want you to trade, but it can rally some more. The GFAI stock can at least pull up to $14.82, and I'll show you how to trade GFAI stock if you are trapped so that you can save money and make more money in the stock market in the future. However, I am also going to give you my stock, the stock which I am actually trading right now, and a blueprint for making more money in the stock market. So stick around. The stock is Cardalytics. CDLX, this is Cardalytics stock, and they just announced updated guidance for the first quarter 2023 financial results. They just went from billings 84 million to 93 million to 93 million to 97 million. So billings got an upgrade. Revenue is projected to increase as well from 54 million to 63 million, now to 63.5 million to 66.5 million. So they're more optimistic now, and this change in CDLX company with a 209.39 million market cap has caused some interesting developments on the CDLX stock chart. In fact, the stock was from $4.87 and is now at a high of $6.77. Traders in the Discord are already making money on CDLX, and the stock can run even more. 426 million in shares of CDLX were purchased just today. That's $500 million in shares of CDLX purchased just today. Okay, so this is the volume of CDLX. This is the amount of money being invested in CDLX right now. And this is just an estimation, but it's pretty close. Captain Q just said about our Discord that since he's been trading, he always tries to chase 1000% winners like he was taught by Moon Market and a lot of other stock trading hype channels. He always ended up holding the bag and buying and holding for too long. He never took profits. Now he said the Rocket Day Trading channel, this channel right here, is the only channel he watches and the only channel that traders need in order to be successful in the stock market. Let's talk briefly about what CDLX stock actually does and how it can be so powerful as a stock to invest in short term. Cardalytics stock invented the Cardalytics platform, which connects marketers with customers through a series of financial institutions. They utilize POS data, which is point of sale data, in order to connect marketers with the consumers. You can imagine how much money a company can make if every time you buy a Starbucks coffee, they're able to use your card information, use your contact information, and sell you related products and services. If you want callouts every single day, I offer callouts every single day on the Discord. Now, the Discord has what are known as pro callouts. These pro callouts are plays which you'll get access to each and every trading day. They will have a detailed breakdown of what stocks I am buying, what stocks I am selling, and what exact price to think about buying these stocks at. We're talking about exact buying and selling levels and detailed notes on how the stock is expected to move throughout the day by a professional trader, John Coda, your day trading coach. I am Coach Coda. I'm always here for you. The full breakdown on CDLX can be found in the Discord, and we have a live trading event taking place tomorrow where you'll be able to trade live in the stock market with a man who found 120 short squeezes within the past year. You can bet we're going to win trades tomorrow, and you're going to get a front row seat. Just join the Discord, and now we're going to go over the charts. Here we are in the stock market, and we're going to take a look first at NAAS stocks. So we're giving an update on NAS Technology, which we called out in this video back when it was just $5. The stock is at $10.90 now, which means we are up 110% from the call out. As a reminder, we don't give all of our call outs for free on YouTube. All of those callouts are on Discord. If you want to get my callouts every single trading day, know when to buy, know when to sell, stop bag holding, then make sure to DM me on Discord to join the pro group. The callout is CDLX. CDLX. Now, CDLX is a special trade indeed. Me and my traders were already buying it at the $5 level, and now the stock is pushing up to $6. So the stock pulled back briefly after hours to $5.93. That's where me and my traders started to take entries. The stock then pushed up above $6 all the way to $6.21, meaning that we are already making money on the stock, and we will continue making money on the stock. But we were looking for a few key indicators that the stock can go up even more. So with CDLX, I want to see the stock stay above either $5.38 or $6. If the stock is extremely strong, and I do think the stock is extremely strong, then we can start seeing the stock push above $6 and hold that level for a period of about 3 to 5 minutes. Once we get that to take place, then we can see the stock push even higher towards my profit target on CDLX, which is $6.43. If we somehow break $6.50, then the stock can push all the way up to $6.95, $7.20, and even $7.44 tomorrow. And if it doesn't happen tomorrow, then it can happen the next day. However, my main profit target for CDLX is $6.43. So watch for the stock to hold the $5 level and then sell at $6.43. This is not financial advice. It's for educational purposes only. But that's the way that I would trade CDLX. So I hope you keep an eye on the stock. It can be really, really good for you, your trading account, and your success as a trader. Again, if you want to trade live with us in the stock market, you have the opportunity to do so. All you have to do is click the Discord link in the description and DM me on Discord. My name is Coach Coda, and I can help you start trading profitably in the stock market. I have a trader named Goodness Cozy who you can message. I'll leave his name right here. He can also help you sign up for the Pro Discord. If you're interested in making money long term, then there's no better place to be than in the Pro Discord. You need it. How much money have you lost not being in the Pro Discord? How much money have you missed out on? Join today, and I'll see you on the other side.